In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the UtcNow expression in Power Automate. Our goal is to walk you through the process of capturing the current date and formatting it in a more user-friendly manner. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your automations, understanding this expression can be incredibly useful for managing date and time within your flows. First, we'll begin by adding an action called Initialize Variable. This is a crucial step as it sets the foundation for working with dates in Power Automate. You can find this action by navigating to the Variables category in the Action menu and selecting Initialize Variable. It essentially allows you to store a piece of data, in this case, the current date, for use later in your automation. Once you've added the Initialize Variable action, it's time to configure it. Start by setting a meaningful name for your variable. In this scenario, we'll name it Current Date. This gives us a clear and easy reference point whenever we need to work with this specific piece of data in our flow. Naming is a small but important step in keeping your flows organized and easy to understand, especially when you or someone else revisits them in the future. Next, you need to specify the type for this variable. Here, you'll want to set it to string. Although it might seem tempting to opt for a date type initially, we choose a string to allow us more flexibility when formatting the date in a specific structure. Power Automate handles different types of data, and selecting the right type ensures smooth operation and compatibility as your flow progresses. Now, let's move on to setting the value of our variable. This is where the UtcNow expression comes into play. In the Value field, you'll enter the following expression: Format DateTime UtcNow, YI MMDD. What this does is it captures the current date and time in Coordinated Universal Time, commonly known as UTC, and formats it as a string in the YI MMDD format. This format outputs the year, month, and day separated by dashes, which is a widely used standard in many applications and systems. By doing this, you have successfully initialized the variable current date with the current date in your desired format. This setup can be particularly helpful for ensuring consistency and clarity in how dates are handled across your automated processes. Now, whenever you need the current date within your flow, you can reference this variable with confidence, knowing that it will always be in the format you've specified. That's it. You've now learned how to effectively use the UtcNow expression in Power Automate to store and format the current date. This simple yet powerful technique can significantly enhance how you manage dates and times in any of your upcoming projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other expressions and actions in Power Automate to expand your automation capabilities even further.